Done for you super affiliate review, how to make money online. Okay, thanks for watching my video, and please stay till the end so you get to all the information. Right, so Done for You Super Affiliate is a training course with a lot more than a training course. It's by two 7 affiliate marketers, James and Max. They've made lots of quality products, and this one is a training course on how to make money as an affiliate marketer. Now, what they do, but it's far more than a training course, because what they do is give you nearly everything you need. So for instance, it starts off by telling you the importance of having low tickets and recurring and high ticket affiliate products. Now, so then they go on to give you guaranteed approval for 5 of the products. Now, I don't know if you know anything about affiliate marketing. It can be quite hard to get approval, especially if you're a beginner, because if you're a beginner, you've got no track record as for selling products. So if you ask to promote a product, they're very likely to turn you down because you've got no track record. So it's one of the difficult things, but you can't get started if you can't promote products. So that is unfortunate, and that's one of the reasons they've started this course, I think. So what they're doing is they're giving you approval to promote 5 of their products, and you get, if you sell one of those products, you get 50% commission. Now that's pretty good. That's the standard rates, but it is pretty good. Now, they're low ticket products, so they're easier to sell than high ticket products, but as with all or most low ticket products, they'll have upsells inside. So for instance, the actual front end of this product is $17, I think, but then there are bigger, better products that can also be bought by the person, known as an upsell. And there's several upsells, some of which are very good and a lot more expensive, but that's why, because they're much better. Anyway, so they give you 5 products to promote. In addition to that, they give you 3 professionally written emails for each product, so that's 15 emails. And then they also give you 3 editable graphics to be used on things like social media, TikTok or YouTube Shorts or anything like that. So there's, not Shorts, but so they're giving you 5 editable graphics for each product, so you can use them wherever, on social media, places like that. But they're also giving you 70 videos, viral videos, and they can be used on TikTok or Instagram as a reel, or on YouTube Shorts. So it's very good at what they're giving you. In addition to that, you're getting 15 bonuses with giveaway rights. So that's bonuses that you can give away with the products that you're promoting. Then in addition to that, you could also use them as lead magnets for building an email list. So they're giving you nearly everything you need here. The only thing you'd need on top of this is probably an email platform to store emails and traffic. Now obviously, if this product is like $17, if they were doing those things for you, like traffic and email, they'd have to charge a lot more for it, and I don't think anybody does actually store your email for you. You'd have to buy a platform. So it's a great product, I think. I've been through the whole thing, and it is a good product, and they give you also lots of other advice on how to get traffic and things like that. They're recommending through using the videos, I think, primarily, but there's also other ways. You can just use Facebook posts and stuff like that. So yeah, so there's a lot of stuff in there. Then they also talk about how to, in fact they show you how to get the recurring. They have another product that's a recurring product, but they show you how to get access, get approval for promoting that as well, and you don't have to buy anything to get that. And then there's also a way of getting some other products of theirs. It's the same way as getting the recurring access to the recurring product. There's a way of getting 3 other of their products with which you get 100% commission, and that doesn't cost you anything. But they do show you inside this training course on how to get that. And then finally, they show you how you can sell the high ticket product. But that is a high ticket product, and you would have to buy that to sell it. It's a high ticket product that gives a 50% commission, but because it's such a high ticket product, they charge for it. So you buy it, and it's a funnel. It's an actual funnel, co-branded funnel, of which I've got, and I'm going to do a video on that soon. So yeah, so it's a great product. It's well worth it if you're interested in getting into affiliate marketing. This is as good a way as you can get into it, I think, because they're giving you so much stuff. Half the battle is trying to work out where do you get bonuses from, how do I do the graphics, have I got videos to create that I can get traffic from, and how do I write emails, stuff like that. All that sort of thing, they've done it all for you, really, and that's why they've called it Done For You. So it is good, and I highly recommend it. And at $17, it's well worth it, and it might even be worth picking up some of their upsells as well, because they are good. So anyway, I hope you've liked this video, and if so, please like it, and don't forget to subscribe, and also please leave a comment if you'd like me to do any other videos or anything like that. Any things you'd like to see a video on to do with making money online, then just leave a comment and I'll reply to you. Okay, so if you, in the description, click the link below in the description, and you can get through to the product there. Okay, thanks, bye.